Okay, we should be live again. Here we go. Make sure we're live. Looks like it. All right. Looks like it. All right. Okay, yeah, my audio's going through. Okay. All right, I don't know if anyone will join. Last time we had a couple people hop in. Oh, what's up, Laggy? Welcome back. You joined back fast. Wow, I'm surprised you guys. Yeah, I'm surprised you guys saw that like right away. Welcome back into the stream. I got the silly cat up. I'm eating a Costco muffin right now, and I feel very fat for eating this, but like it is so good. Anyways, we're gonna continue where we left off. I was also playing Minecraft. I've been addicted to like Hypixel Skyblock. This has been my new addiction. I've been trying to get the bronze armor, but it just takes literally forever. But enough Minecraft. We're gonna close this because we got work to do. We got work to do. We got an obby to make. Anyways, I really haven't done much on the actual obby since last time we streamed, which was yesterday or 2 days ago now, I think. I don't think it was yesterday, it was 2 days ago. Freakish cat. Oh my god. Okay. What have I done since last stream? Last stream I haven't really made too much changes. I ported this player module. What this player module is, it's literally just Roblox's player module to like control the camera and move around and whatnot. But when I need a custom player module for is because I like to add console shift lock, because there's no shift lock button for console, so I like to just make it right trigger, left trigger, whatever feels better. So console can actually, play the obby too, because obbies really aren't made for console. They really just aren't fun at all. I'm gonna pull the stream up on my phone so I can actually see chat without having to swap tabs. A Bob Mob game, dude. We should remake the Bob Mob game live on stream. If people see that, that'd be great, dude. But yeah, like showcasing like the whole development of the Bob Mob, and like that actually might be a great idea. Do we need music in the background of the stream? I think we need music in the background of the stream, just for like the short burst where I'm not talking, or just like not silence. Yeah, I think that would be a good idea, dude. For sure. Hold on. I'm gonna try and figure out how to add music. I guess I can just play it for Spotify for now, but yeah, I want to make sure like it's not copyright music. I wonder if there's like an NCS playlist. I just don't want it to be like shit, you know? Okay, I searched up an NCS playlist, and the first thing that pops up is Alan Walker Fade. We are not playing Alan Walker Fade in the background of the stream, bro. Yeah, bro, I'd appreciate that. If you want to make the short, like, just showing the channel too, that would probably be better, because I imagine a lot of people would watch it when I'm not actually live. But yeah, dude, that would help a ton. I'm gonna start working on this game now, though, because we got lots to do. Okay, what have I changed since last time I streamed? I did the player module. I should do that. This button, I think I just changed the design a little. I made it go down more. It looks a lot better. It makes more sense. Oh, I added this timer as well for the button. Or I didn't add the timer. I like formatted it. So there's this format folder, and then there's a time function, and then there's just this which formats it like a clock, basically. I think that looks better than just numbers counting down. At least that's my opinion of it. Okay. I say okay a lot. Like I don't know if that's a bad thing to do while streaming. It's kind of like because I'm kind of just like thinking out loud. I almost did it again. I almost did it again. I was literally about to say okay again. I feel like I need to break the habit of that. I think we're gonna make these moving platforms because that's what we were doing. Rise up from the shadows, Bob Mob stands strong under King Bob's banner. We march all night long. Moon Ermi nearing raids, clash in the night. Bling or bad, we chanted. Victory in sight. Bling or bad, we chanted loud. Bob Mob hearts so proud. King Bob, we stand tall together. Epic Bob music, dude. That's fire. We had to get someone to sing that. Not me, though. Anyone but me. All right, we're gonna make the moving platforms. And by make the moving platforms, I mean I'm gonna pull them from my old game because they work perfectly in the old game. And we'll optimize the code a bit while we're here. All right, bro. Let me know when you're back. I appreciate it. I should also probably put chat on screen, huh? Maybe. I don't know if that's a good idea, because what if someone says like something bad in chat and then I have to, or then it displays that on the actual video? Like, would I have to blur it out? Because it is Roblox content. And there's obviously bypasses to certain words. Oh, I also started making a Discord server off camera. I think it was coming along very good. I really don't have much left to do on it to prepare, but once it is all prepared, I will I will post a link to it and let everyone in. I do want discord.gg/tinygecko though for the invite, but I think that takes level 3 boost, which is mad expensive if I'm doing that on my own. I would rather a lot of people with Nitro come and do it. Oh, here, let me see if I can pull it. Pull the server up on stream. I do want to show it off. Just don't want to leak anything. Oh, you know what's interesting? I have to hide that because that's my friend's face. I think I can show all this. This when I started streaming, the bot posted this as if it was a video. This bot, by the way, I did not make. It's just Dino. Anyways, I boosted it twice, but I think it's what's vanity URL? Oh, it's right here. Custom invite link. Level 3. How much does that take? 5 boosts, 7. So that's 12. 12 more boosts. Yo, what's up? Welcome into the stream. KRDDOVS. I don't know how to say your name. I don't like usernames that are like hard to pronounce like that. It's like, what do I call you? Like if my name's Tiny Gecko, I can just call it, or if someone else's name is Tiny Gecko, say, I could just call them like Tiny or just Gecko or Tiny Gecko. But like, what do I call you? KR? Do I JQ? There's no JQ in your name though. I'll call you JQ. If I remember. Anyways, how much does 12 boosts cost? Or wait, it says 28, but I think it's just 12 for the level 3, right? Right? I think so. Okay. Let me see. Dude, oh my god, that's so expensive. Yeah, I am not paying that. That's why I had to do the booster perks. Alright, we're gonna close out of that. Back to moving platforms. Oh, you know what we also need? We need checkpoint arrows. We need that right now. I kind of want to do that right now. Yeah. I'll call you JQ then. I just gotta like hopefully remember to call you that. But as long as you're like active in the stream, I will definitely remember you. Oh, thank you. What games have you played? I appreciate it. I need an do we want to do the arrow as a image or do we want to do it as a model? I think probably an image might be better. I'm just gonna do it as a 1x1 part. Or I guess probably not a 1x1 part. We'll do that. That's probably big enough for an arrow. We put it above this checkpoint. Turn off all the collisions. Of course. Then what we're gonna do is create a billboard GUI. That stays a consistent size. But you know what? It doesn't matter what the size of the part is if we're using a billboard, so let's just do one by one by one. You're such a big fan, bro, Jaden. Maria. Jaden, do you still make games? Why are you? I don't know. People keep coming in and out. They'll come in and they'll talk for like a few minutes and then they leave and then they come back. It's really interesting. But the stream isn't very. I wouldn't say this is very entertaining. So I imagine there won't be a lot of viewers sticking around. I still have to like figure out how to do this streaming thing, how to keep people engaged, you know? You have a game with 2.6k CC. Dude, that's good. I think that's more than I have like combined right now. I've been so out of it. I really gotta lock back in. $2,600 is huge. It's just kids out. Oh, is it all like Indonesian players or something? If your audience is from Indonesia or some other smaller country like that, they just won't spend money, which makes perfect sense because they can't afford to. It doesn't make sense to. They're obviously smarter than Americans about spending money. 21% USA. That's interesting. I think Roblox average is like 36% USA, or it might have gone down as they've expanded demographics. But yeah, USA makes like most of the money. Like nobody spends like Americans do on useless shit. That's where most of my money comes from. Studios used to be bigger and higher, made more money. Yeah, it does that sometimes. It's whatever though. Dude, that arrow looks whack, bro. This like part needs to be longer. I'll use that for now, but I'm gonna find another arrow image at some point. I'll do that off stream. Oh, not background color. I'll change the image color. Alright, this is gonna be just a temporary arrow. We'll change it later. Arrow billboard UI. We want to make it bigger. What is bro making? I'm making an obby template. I'm remaking my obby template for the 1000th time. Too big. Probably. But I just want it to be I think I might just want it to be a consistent size. I'll just do that. Oops. And then we'll check this and replicated storage. I'll make an assets folder for this. We don't have our source map. So, oh, we do have a source map. Is it properly updating that? Hopefully. Yeah, let me create a new script and see. No, it's not. We'll just do it without it for now. But we should update that source map so we have IntelliSense on the instances we're creating. What should I call the probably just, I don't want to call it arrow controller. That seems stupid. I'll just name it that for now, I guess. We can change the name later if we need. I'm just gonna copy this. And I'll remove what I don't need. The vid is done. I'm gonna game link. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Imagine VR. Should I call you Imagine VR or what? Like you've gone by a couple different usernames. I don't know what to call you. We really don't need this to be on the controller, but just like for sake of consistency and how I'm structuring my game, I'm gonna put this on this controller. Like it could just be in the script. Hold on. Costco muffin break. That's good. Dude, Costco muffins slap. Yeah, what we're thinking about Costco muffins. It makes me feel so fat, but it's so good, bro. It's so good. You wish you lived near a Costco? You know the Costco near you? I feel like they're everywhere now. I thought they were like super big. I guess if you're not in the US either, like nearest one's like an hour away. That is kind of far. Oops. Hold on, I'm gonna remove my I remove my phone link, so how do I put my phone link on? Or off. Notifications off. Mute for. Oh, let's turn these permanently off, honestly. If I'm just gonna keep streaming. Okay. There you go, it's off. I don't want those notifications popping up. During stream, hold on, let me reply though. peak stream. Dude, the stream's so garbage. We'll get better at we'll get better at streaming. It's just gonna take time. I have no idea what I'm doing, man. I'm so bad at talking too. So it's gonna take time. Okay. Back to work. We do so need music. I think that's. I'm gonna figure that out off stream. Getting music going. That's like a must because I imagine it's like so boring when I'm just not talking for a few seconds. Like the music actually makes a bigger difference than you would think. I also need like a stream deck. I need to upgrade my microphone. There's a lot I have to do, man. There's a lot I have to do. Honestly, we can create this in the script. I think we might do that. We're just gonna create this in the script, so we don't have to have it sitting in the assets folder. I don't need self here. Or this. This is really just a really small script. I don't even say this is a controller. This is really just, really can just be a script. Might be better to make it one. I'll do it like this though, just for consistency's sake. Arrow part, arrow billboard. So we're going to need to create a billboard GUI. Billboard GUI. Then brightness, 1, arrow billboard GUI dot. Light influence. Oh, we do want this. I want the 5050. Size. From scale 5.5. I think that's all. Set the transparency of this to 1. Then we also want all the hand collide or collision parts off. Audio continue. The vid already has like 59 views when like people might join. Oh really? Where'd you put this? Just YouTube? Hold on. Oh my god, it has 96 views. Hey, we are Charlie Kirk in the back. Bro, there's no way I'm playing that. I liked your video. I commented on it, but like it didn't appear. Oh, there it is. Oh my god, I like my own comment. Always gotta like your own comments, guys. Have an ego. I should subscribe to you, huh? There we go. We're subbed. We liked. That's what's up. All right. What do we want to do now? We need the local player. Player. And I also have to remember how I did this checkpoint thing. I think I saved it as an attribute. Gotta go my join back later. All right, see you, Jaden. Thank you for coming in. I appreciate it, bro. It was nice to hear from you again. I don't even remember like the last time I spoke to you. But have a good day, dude. 193 views. Dude, shorts might be the meta. I gotta make shorts. As a checkpoint attribute. We are gonna do this actually. Self.arrow. Can it really? Can it just edit? It could straight edit them for you? Or like you have to do stuff, I imagine. Alright, the reason I'm putting this arrow under the arrow controller is because I'm gonna make a function here called relocate arrow. $403 views. Christ, dude. Hold on. Dude. Shorts is the meta, man. I can't see how many likes are on it. Can you see how many likes are on it? Average view duration 4 minutes 47 seconds on the stream. Damn, dude, our engagement is garbage. That's fun, I guess. We'll do better. I'm gonna mod you, honestly. Add as moderator. Can review and remove chat messages. Can manage. Yeah, just standard moderator. If you're gonna be on the stream all the time, like you might as well be a mod. There you go, dude. You are now the first Tiny Gecko mod. How does it feel? Yeah. You got the blue mod shield now. Look at that. That's aura, bro. Aura. As long as you're active in the stream, like, might as well have you as a mod. As long as you don't abuse your mod powers. Question is, if you want Roblox from the stream, sure doesn't seem to be working. I feel like the problem with the short is I'm pretty sure if they even if they just get it on their feed, it counts as a view. So they're just like scrolling like instantly past it. Is what I imagine's happening. I'm not sure though. I should put this in a model, huh? In model streaming mode. Oh, it's persistent. What this does basically is because I'm using streaming enabled, so persistent on a model makes it so it's always loaded in, no matter what. I'm pretty sure it would stay loaded in because I created the instance on the client, but I'm not sure. So, ooh, let's see. So relocate arrow. Actually, I'll do this. I'm going to pass an argument. I can just do local player get attribute checkpoint. Then we're going to assert that the type is a number. Actually, we'll just create a warning. Or no, okay. If type checkpoint is not equal to number, then return. Oops. Player get attribute, change signal, checkpoint. So this is going to check when the player's checkpoint changes. Connect to that. Okay, so we'll change this to point value because it's the actual value, and then we want find the checkpoint. How are we gonna do? Points equals collection service get checkpoint. These should all be base parts. Or the, I guess, instances, because we can't guarantee that, but they should all be base parts. I think it's just called, it's called stage. Get attribute stage. And then I want to make sure type of stage value is a number. If it's not equal to the number, then continue to the next iteration. And if stage value is equal to checkpoint value, then it's going to be our target checkpoint. So we're going to break that there at the very end. And then self.arrow. We're going to create a tween for it. You should stream more. Is it good? Is it good though? It's just me it's just me kind of working. There's a lot better you could be watching. What can I improve though? Like what needs to improve? Because there's obviously going to be things that need to improve. Like it can't possibly be perfect. Even with like the biggest streamers. And I imagine with me, there's going to be a lot more to do since I just kind of started. Maybe subscriber animations and text to speech. Yeah, no, I'll figure out how. Like, it shouldn't be too hard. Sign a third viewer. Tween info. I'm creating a new tween. Self.arrow. Self.ti. And then want the position to be the checkpoint position. Oh, we also want to make sure checkpoint is a base part. It should be, but we're gonna assert it just in case. And so we also have our IntelliSense here. Then we also want to offset the arrow above the checkpoint. Well, you know what? We want the stage value to be equal to checkpoint value plus 1 because it's going to the next stage. And we really don't need to save that tween either. Okay, if I did everything right, we should see an arrow above the next stage. But I imagine there will be errors. Attempt to index nail with arrow. The question is, why? I think that could have been an issue. And another issue would be that I just realized is that we didn't parent this. It needs to go to the parent model. Then the billboard UI also needs to go. Needs to be parented to the arrow, and we didn't add a arrow image label either. Anchor point. It's just vector 2, right? Not vector 3, vector 2. Yeah. But from, where is it? It's a from scale 0.5 to 0.5. We want the size to be 1 to 1. And then we also need to obviously set the image, which I didn't save, but you can get from the asset manager. One of our friends is above. I asked him to join. He said, hell yeah. Oh, dude. That's awesome. Let's see if he actually does join, though. Or sticks around. If he sticks around, that's super awesome. I'm going to create a constant up here just so we can edit the arrow image ID from game to game if we want to. Okay, so now that should be good. We should be good to go. Well, clearly it's still not working. Where's our output? Oh, we have the model here. Oh, you know what? This needs to be arrow part. Oh, you know what? I didn't anchor it. That's the issue. It just fell for the world. Then, okay, still doesn't work. There's a Billboard GUI is also under the model, which is interesting because I didn't set self.arrow to be the model. So why? Oh, silly me. We'll also name all these, just goes. Not that it matters. Um, okay, now it should work this time. We're still not seeing it. Position 000, which means it's right under your Y. Move. It's not moving. Oh. Alright. Oh my god, it works. Oh my god, it works. It works. That is crazy. Guess they need to change some things though. Background transparency needs to be 1. And that should literally be all right, yeah. And it just goes from checkpoint to checkpoint. I'm also gonna change this, so it's not so annoying. His studio equals run service. Alright, now we won't be prompted to favorite while we're in studio. I need to push all this. Alright. I also want to make these checkpoints have some sort of effect, probably. I think we're going to do that right now. Polish up the checkpoints. We need them to have a sound effect and some sort of animation. Let's actually design these checkpoints. Make the base checkpoint white. Smooth plastic kind of looks. Honestly, I've almost become like a smooth plastic hater, which is crazy because I used to complain about plastic. I'd always make it like smooth plastic, but it makes it like too glossy, I think, and I don't really like that. Okay, we're gonna make them green. 3 viewers again. Is it your friend? Hey, whoever joined the stream, say hi in chat, bro. Let us know how your days are going. What you think of the stream? We just started. I'm gonna create a checkpoint controller. We're just gonna take this. We're gonna need a checkpoint sound ID. How many members do you have in your Watermelon Monarchy? I don't remember what your username is. I have you added, right? I might not have you added. Both, honestly. $18 to $20. It's not a bad conversion. Okay. I need to create your recent friend request. Here. I'll check for it. Oh yeah, that's you right there. There we go, Mr. Watermelon King. Which is the... Oh, it's right here. Yeah, update the group icon. I like the banner. The banner's funny. Your crown is 10k Robux. The lowest price it's selling at is 10k. But doesn't mean it's worth 10k. Average price is 7.4k, which is still pretty expensive. It's sold for 8K in the past 180 days. When did you buy it? Here, I'm gonna check Rolly Mons. Use honor roll money a few months ago, like around September. Oh wow, you made you did make some good money there. Around September, it was 4 to 5K. It's been going up. That's interesting because this has been out for a long while. Accidentally made a good investment, bro. That's crazy. Oh, you're saving for Norwegian. Oh my god. Is this what you're talking about? This can't be what you're talking about because this is expensive. Really? I'm like to give you advice, bro. Because I'm saving on like honest advice, don't buy this. That's like thinking DevX money. That's $475 for that sword. $475 if you DevX that. And if you're buying this, it's even more. It's like $1,200 maybe. Like honest advice, if you like, you may want the sword. Like it's cool and all, but if you're not balling, dude, don't buy it. You can do so much better with the money. If you don't have money to blow, what is your dream item? It's your money. I'm just saying. Oh my god, it's sold for 85 Robux. Who sold it for 85 Robux? Oh no. That is a tragedy if I've ever seen one. Yeah, that's my honest advice. Do not buy this. If you don't have money to blow, don't spend a ton of money on some random Roblox sword. It doesn't make sense to do. It gives power in game. Power in game? What do you mean it gives a power in game? 3 years of saving? You're gonna come to your senses before that. 3 years, you'll figure it out. It's not worth it, and it's gonna go up in price too. So this isn't the price you're even shooting for. Look up on YouTube. There's no way. Well, it's only gonna do stuff in games that allow that, which is a grand total of 0.001% of games. Yeah. Dude, what were my YouTube recommendations? I just saw that when I looked back on stream. Holy Christ, man. My homepage is normal-ish, but that was interesting. On the side there. Okay. Let's continue with our work. We're gonna create a client thing here. Actually, I kind of want to store this up here. Checkpoint. Then I want my networking service. And we're going to create a new event. Checkpoint. Then when they reach a checkpoint, we want to call fire client, and we just want it to be this one player. We also want to pass the checkpoint value. Should we pass the checkpoint value or the checkpoint instance? I guess the checkpoint instance. Can I even pass an instance from an event? Probably. Controllers, player scripts. That's our controller we're using right now. We want the networking controller. We also want our sound controller. Checkpoint sound ID. Volume 1. Now we need to get our checkpoint event. So I probably need to create a get event function under the networking controller. Get event. Event name. Then we're going to yield until Then this game will be fire when it comes out. Yeah, I hope so. This is gonna be multiple games actually, because it's a template. It's not just one game. It's a template that we're gonna make multiple games off of. And I'll stream all of it probably. Um. Okay, we have a get event function now. I kind of want to use ByteNet for my remote events. I might change that off stream. And use difficult chair to be turned. I'm not making another Chinese difficulty chair obby. But there will be obbies. I have a troll obby. That's literally just a troll pedal. I don't remember what it's called. It's called Troll Friends obby. Oh, that's the marketplace. Troll Friends obby. Oh, right here. Yeah, it's pretty dead though. It's kind of reliant on other players. It was just a quick obby thrown together. Maybe we remake it. $1K likes. Yeah, bro. Everybody likes the game, but it's dead. But it was literally just a troll UI. Oh, you joined. And then you get trolls by completing stages and playing. And then you can literally just spam them onto people. This is my favorite. Yeah, balled on, buddy. Dude, why are they after me? Chill, I summoned you. I summoned the ballers and they went after me.
Hello? Is this Among Us?
I turned you into Among Us.
Is this the imposter from Among Us?
I can't see your chat messages because of the new filter thing. It's unfortunate. Oh, some guy joined.
Hello?
Hold on. We gotta baller him. We gotta baller this guy. Or should we drop an anvil on his head? Or dude, imagine joining this game and just getting sucked into a black hole. Unfortunate, really. Anyways, this game was fun. It was silly. Sucks that it wasn't really played, honestly. Everything's fun. I can make you get trapped by UFO. Or it can smite you. Oh, there we go. It worked. Okay. This was a nice game. Maybe we remake it somehow. Anyways. It's back to creating this checkpoint event. We're passing the checkpoint instance. That should be a base part. So what I'm gonna do is create a new tween to turn this green. What am I doing? Checkpoint tween info .new. How long should we make it tween for? Probably like that long. Oh, we don't want to repeat count. Then we're gonna change the color of this. I think it's called color 3, right? I assume. Or no, it's just called color. Equals color 3, that from RGB 02550. That's lime green. We'll tone it down a bit though. So it's not so bright. 225 is probably good. Okay. It makes them green now. Probably not fast enough though. It's probably fine. Oops. Attempt to index nil with reliable. I mean, that gets made right away, so. I wonder what happens if you full screen yourself, streaming yourself, full screen yourself. Oh, it's a disaster, dude. I did that within the first couple seconds. I don't think anyone saw it. But that was in the first couple seconds yesterday. Hold on, should I do it for the lulz? All right, we're gonna send it. Get out of the way. Let's get good on my channel, huh? All right, dude, this is for you. All right, dude, this is for you. And it's gonna create an infinite loop. All right, dude, this is for you. And it's gonna create an infinite loop. If we just keep talking, then we'll probably like make the whole thing just like sound crazy. If we just keep talking, then we'll probably like make the whole thing just like sound crazy.
If we just keep talking,
Oh yeah,
we'll probably,
it's getting crazy
make the
now.
whole thing just like sound
Oh
crazy.
yeah.
If we just keep talking,
Oh yeah,
we'll probably,
it's getting crazy
make the
now.
whole thing
There's
just,
more
like,
loops.
sound
Oh
crazy.
yeah. What if I full
Oh,
screen?
yeah.
It's getting crazy now. There's more.
All
All right, we full screened
yeah.
it. What if I full screen?
It's
Oh my god.
getting crazy now. There's more.
Okay, it's
All right,
making
we
like
full screened it. What if I
ear
full screen?
pursing noises
Oh
now.
my God,
Okay.
crazy now. There's more.
Okay, it's
All right,
making
we
like
full screened it. What if I
ear
full screen?
pursing noises
Oh
now.
my God,
Okay.
crazy now. There's more.
Okay,
All
alright, my
making,
ears
like,
are gonna
screened it.
explode. We got
Ear
it.
pursing noises
We might
now.
have to end this here.
Okay.
Alright, yep, it's over.
Alright, my
It's
ears
over.
are gonna
Yep.
explode.
Yep, nope, it's time. Oh my god. That was interesting. You can't tell what I'm talking about the echo is. Well, it's the first time I said it, then it was me. But if it wasn't the first time I said it, then it was the echo. Next attempt to index nil overload. That's interesting because the network controller should be prioritized. Or wait, is it not? It might not be. Yeah, no, I didn't do it. With the server, I have it so it gets the profile service and networking service first. So what I basically need to do is make sure the networking service loads first because that is what kind of everything relies on, or at least a lot of stuff does. And controller, that name is not equal to networking controller, and then we want to get the networking controller. I'm just knitting this right there. Okay, now we shouldn't have a problem with it. First time you met me was an ant when I was telling you about President Bob. Oh yeah, dude. I remember that. President Bob is a guy. Not difference in the bulbs follow him as new leader now. It really won't matter. Like we run ads and it's over for bro. Once we do redo the Bob Mob, I just don't want to I don't want to do it when I know I won't be consistent with it. Oh my god. What a sound effect. I like that one. That one's nice. And then we'll also do play checkpoint sound. You know what? I do want this to be the number. Also, 7 and 9 roses. Introducing politics and yeah, it is problematic. Is Typher a legal game development company, or is it just? It is a legal game development company. I do own Typher LLC. It is registered in the state of Wyoming. Also have a virtual address for it and all that fancy stuff. Does it have any games yet? I mean, the games are, I guess, just my games. But I'm gonna make a website for it. I do own typhergames.com. I just haven't connected a website to it yet. I also own typher.org, but I probably won't use .org because I think .com is just better, honestly. It just looks better. I couldn't get typher.com because it's owned by like some Chinese company. Which is unfortunate, but you can direct typher.org to typher.com. If I ever get Typher, typher.com, yeah. But they want like $40,000 for it, and I don't know, man. I thought that might not be in the budget. $40,000 for Typher.com. What I'm gonna do is make sure every checkpoint is gonna make hard copy games like Nintendo does, or it's gonna make it's gonna run exclusively on Roblox for now, but I want to make stuff on like Fortnite too, and maybe we'll publish some games to Steam. Who knows what we'll do in the future? But Roblox now, because I'm comfortable with Roblox. This is what I've been learning, you know. Tiny Gecko X Fortnite collab, dude, for real. Oh wait, you must name that stage value. Then if type of stage value is equal to number and stage value is equal to checkpoint value, if checkpoint.color is equal to, we're gonna set this color in a constant too. YouTube Shorts does successful according to the YouTube short I just made. You can advertise type friend shorts. Oh yeah, for sure I will. Uncompleted. We'll just do this for now. If checkpoint color is equal to completed checkpoint color, then continue. Want to make sure it's a base part too. Oh. It should be in war. Okay, that works. It's your sister's birthday today. We're going out to a Chinese place. Oh, dude, happy birthday to your sister. That's awesome. How old is she turning? I'll tell her to say happy birthday. Yeah, please do. Let her know the Tiny Gecko said happy birthday with a whole two live viewers. The most famous man on the planet with 2 people watching him live. We're breaking records over here, man. You won't release her age, but she's younger. Yeah, okay. Of course. Of course. You don't. You want to keep it private? Keep it private. His stage value is equal to number in stage. He said thanks. That's awesome. Hey, this will set that and this to green now. Oh, what the hell? It did not. Instance. Alright, it's because I'm still passing the checkpoint instance in. I need to go to wherever my... do that first. I need to go wherever my checkpoint service is, and then I need to pass the checkpoint value instead. Okay, that turns green. Oh, it's making the previous ones turn green and not. It needs to be checkpoint value +1. There. Okay, so all the checkpoints that are reached already are green. And then we also need to set that when we first join. So create that there. You're in a car, it's kind of hard to hear stream and it kind of lags, so I won't talk till I'm there. That's fine. That's fine. Thank you for keeping the stream open, though. Hope the watch time out get me monetized. You know we can do. Checkpoint value is equal to get attribute checkpoint. Should work fine. And we also want to update checkpoints. The player first joins too. So this should stay green from the start, and no, it does not. It's not. We'll need a lesson for new checkpoints being added under collection service too. Collection service. What's it called? Get instance added signal. If checkpoint, say base part, checkpoint color is not equal to check. Oh, let's run update checkpoints again. If there's a new checkpoint instance added. Okay, it's green. All right. That works. And then should yeah, okay. So it's just a simple checkpoint system. It's just something simple. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go use the restroom. Silly cat time. Chat, I'm also gonna go get more food because I'm a fat lord. So be right back in like another 2 minutes, maybe. Yo, I'm back. You know what I think I should do? What if I like work on like stream improvements like, on stream? Take a break from this and work on like improving our quality of stream. We need to find music to put in the stream background. Hold on, how do I window capture? Spotify. All right, should be able to see my Spotify. Obviously I don't want this. This is so like 2014. We are not playing this, dude. We are not playing this in the background of the stream. I also just don't want to listen to it. Dude, there's this artist called Dax, bro. Awful. The worst thing I've ever heard in my life. And I listened to it, bro. Or I listened to it. I got a little album of the year account going. Ooh, I want to show that too. Here, I'll show that on I'll show that on the stream. There's this website called Album of the Year. Let me sign in. There we go. Okay, so I rated all of these just awful A because they were quite awful. They were awful. New Gorillaz album was so good. I gave this a 10 out of 10. This was amazing. I would definitely recommend listening. I can't play it on stream though. I'll also get a copyright strike. I would assume at least. I got my top albums of 2026 list right here. We got Gorillaz, J. Cole, A$AP Rocky, Baby Keem, Bruno Mars, Zach Bryan. You know, that's what's up. Anyways, back to finding music. Split in the stream. I don't want that. I wonder if there's like a stream music playlist. You know who's only thing I've ever heard of? Gorillaz and Bruno Mars. The new I'm playing funk on the stream. Chill stream music. I see Post Malone there, so it's definitely gonna be copyright striked. You know who has good stream music? Do you guys know who Ludwig is? Ludwig's the GOAT, bro. Ludwig has good stream music. Hold on. If I search Ludwig, I'm pretty sure he has a playlist. Oh, I've already have it saved. Yo, what's up, bro? I want to miss this one. Yeah. I saw your comment on the last one. Right now, we kind of already passed by getting our development done for today. Maybe I'll do more. But I wanna. You're blowing up 4 viewers, dude. We're really making it big, man. We're making it big. I think this could be like good stream music, just to throw in the background. Is that loud? Can you guys hear me like fine over that? 6 viewers? Bro, who is in here? We're making it big right now, guys. We're making it real big. Oh, what's up, Pakjoy? I don't think I can say your real name. Oh, hi. It's quiet. I kind of want it to be quiet, though. Like, I want my voice to be heard. You can't hear the music. Hello, 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 hello. I guess it is kind of quiet, huh? I just want it to be like, it's just noise when I'm not talking, you know? Because it does make a difference in like terms of engagement. We need more. We do need more. We need more viewers. I don't think YouTube does the same thing as Twitch, where it doesn't count lurkers as viewers. Louder? Dude, there's no way. Guys, do you agree with Jaden? Louder? Louder, yes or no? Jaden, how are you number one in the list of viewers? Imagine VR has been talking here the whole time and you somehow have more Shatter XP? Dude, imagine VR is getting scammed over here. Oh, is it maybe because I made a mod? He might not get XP because he's mod now. I want my ears to bleed. Let's maybe, probably not. I want to get a YouTube chat up on screen. I gotta figure out how to do that. Okay, we're gonna do a bit of Googling. Hold on, silly cat time. How to get stream chat up on OBS. Looking at it. You know what? I have Streamlabs, so it's probably in Streamlabs, huh? That's that. Streamlabs. Overlays. What's CloudBot? Oh, widgets. Include your channel's chat in your stream and make it look pretty while you're at it. That's what I want. Oh, what the crap. Chat box. This gonna show chat now? Let's see if that shows chat. Here, I'm gonna change this to Streamlabs. Okay, so you guys can see my Streamlabs. And we'll start Silly Cat on the background. Hello, Pokjoy. All OBS programs, but there should be a widget feature. Well, that's what I'm on right now. AFK, you're walking in a restaurant. Bro, put the phone down. You don't have to be in the stream 24/7. I appreciate you being here, but like, you don't have to be here every single second, man. If I say something in chat, does it pop up in my chat box? Is it bit at first? Okay, it'll figure it out for sure. Oh, look, it is there. Why is it like that, though? Why is it like... Why is it aligned like that? That's so weird. Why am I not seeing a settings pop up? Hi, hell yeah. Oops. This should be that's the transparency, so I think. Hold on. We're removing it. Oh god, I did it again. Yes, I want to remove chat box. Or I'll remove this chat box. Oh, okay, wait, it's oh my god, it opened like so many tabs. Let me show me display capture again. Are you gonna be streaming your workflow nowadays? Yeah, honestly. Like, it's not gonna be as big as if I would like stream gaming and be like an actual entertainer, but if I'm working on my Roblox games, I might as well stream, you know? That's kind of like the philosophy behind it. Or the thought process behind it, if that makes sense. Let's see. Style, clean. I don't know what that did. Oh. Ew. Okay, I do like the clean style. Hide common chatbots. What is this, bro? Alright, we're gonna skip past that one. Hide users. Custom bad words. Dude, puppies, bananas, and kittens. Why would we be hiding puppies, bananas, and kittens? Chat notifications? We don't want chat notifications. There's gonna be. Especially if they get bigger. Which is the plan. I want to left align this. Is that possible? I don't know. Yes, bro, we gotta be famous. Yes, I gotta mention everybody. So, the Encrypted Gamer YT. Shout out to the Encrypted Gamer YT for people that may be watching this back in 10 years from now. He was here from the start. He was an OG. Gotta let the OGs be known. What the crap did I just do? Why is it so laggy? Dude, oh my PC. Dude, for real. Oh my god, what is happening? How do you get the background music to be so faint? It never works for me. It's literally just playing from my Spotify, dude. Let's have set here. RIP bitrate. Are you? Yeah, you guys lagging too? Yeah. Hold on. I'm gonna figure that out right now. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. Where's my? Where do I see my stream? I don't want to. I want to be on this stream. God damn it. I don't want to set up my stream now. No! God damn it. There's a bitrate 8 still dying. The bitrate's still being fried on. 7 viewers to 3, dude. It's cooked. God damn it. Oh no. Where do I change my bitrate? Let's see if that works. I bumped it down to 5,000 because it might be like overloading. I don't know if that would fix it. Hopefully. I'm still seeing it lagging once it catches up. Hopefully we're not lagging anymore. YouTube can't handle this many viewers coming, dude, right? Shout out if you're watching in 2037, bro. Foxtrot just shouted you out. If you're watching in 2037. Let me get the chat back on screen. Okay, put it right there. But the color, it's like you just can't see it. It's really annoying. The stream's still lagging. Dude, I'm also like incredibly behind now. Like the stream is a full like 40 seconds delayed now, which makes it impossible to talk to chat. Yeah, fuck, it's still lagging. Yeah. No, damn, dude. It's definitely me, right? Like we're sure it's not YouTube. Oh man. Come on. Silly cat's back. Just so you know, I have. Yeah, I know, man. I know it's being delayed. I know it is fried right now. It is cooked. It is cooked on belief. Man, it is so far behind now. Stream. Refreshing. Yeah, I know. It's going crazy. Unstable internet, complex. Unstable internet connection browser. The thing is, though, like, I'm not using any resources, though. 14% CPU, 42% memory, 3% disk, 1% network. That's literally nothing. Let's see. I'm here. I'm gonna start closing stuff and see if it fixes things. I just closed a ton of stuff. Yeah, but if you finally read this comment, you're like 20 comments behind. Dude, I know. 3 light years behind, bro. Encoding overloaded? What does that mean? Encoding overloaded? You think the stream stopped lagging? Let's see. It does seem to be better. Oh, did it just jump ahead? No, it's delayed 3 minutes. Just restart stream at this point. Yeah, you know what? Boys, I think what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna end stream and I'm gonna go live again. Do new stream will transfer over to you. All right, boys, I'm gonna end stream and I'm gonna start a new stream. Don't ditch me. Don't ditch me. I need my viewers. We're going crazy right now. All right. And then stream.